What advice would you give students on resumes?
That it's a 20 to 30 second preview of you, making sure that the information that you're giving them is going to attract their attention to continue to read through the resume. So make sure that you're putting the most important and most valuable information at the top, descending down the resume to make you more attractive.
This may sound obvious, but be honest. Also be accurate, especially with your dates, and do include dates. A big thing I see omitted a lot is an objective. Do have an objective even if it is relatively vague. And also please customize your resume to a specific job if you're in the application process.
I would say to come prepared and be open to criticism.
I would say resumes are really key and crucial, and I would say definitely take advantage of all the resume workshops and everything that your campus has in store to help you get your resume intact, because your resume will make or break you with the company.